Do you know that babies receive chiropractic adjustments? My name's Dr. Michael Magwood, and I'm a chiropractor representing Pure Balance Center with offices in New York City and Clifton, New Jersey. So, at what age is appropriate for a child to be checked? And the answer is immediately from birth. Well, wait, that sounds scary. What about the force of an adjustment on a baby? Is it safe? Burping a baby or even hugging a baby is profoundly more physical than a pediatric chiropractic adjustment. A chiropractic adjustment completely changes the way the brain communicates to a developing body. That's what's so profound about a family bringing a child. The chiropractic check determines exactly what's going on neurologically and structurally in a beautifully developing spine. I'm Dr. Magwood, here for wellness in chiropractic for families, including those newborn babies. For more information, find us at purebalancecenter.com.